Hey YouTube, I'm doing a review on the Snowplow truck by Lego, set 60083, ages 5 through 12. So I love this box art. And then inside the box they haven't wasted much space, which is nice. So that's all. I'll be back with it built. Okay, I'm back and here's the truck all finished. It's got two features. So the plow can move, which I thought with that ball joint it wasn't going to be able to hold its shape, but it holds it just fine, which is really cool. You can take the plow off. So you can take the plow off. And then back here is the salt spreader, which turns when the wheels turn. Which I don't know about you guys, but I think that's pretty cool. And you can take it off to make it just a normal truck. And then there's the front, here's the side, here's the back, and that's how the mechanism works inside. There's the side, and then there's the inside of the truck. So there's coffee cup. In most Lego sets, there's always a coffee cup. And then inside, there's steering wheel and not much. Opening doors, mirrors, lights, a broom and a shovel. And that's really all for the truck. Next up is the minifigure. I don't know if you can see that face, but it's just standard face. No back printing, only front. Standard hat. The Snowplow's design is a little weird because it goes round and then it has that kind of, just doesn't look right to me, but it still does its job. The salter is really cool. It looks kind of right. I just don't like that they have all that space in there. And inside they think they put salt, but all that space in there between those isn't very cool. My overall thought of this is you should definitely get it if you like trucks or snowplows. I will give it an overall 7 out of 10 studs, because the truck just seems too small and the wheels are too big. And as I mentioned earlier, this just doesn't look right. And you get all these extra pieces, which isn't very much, but they're useful pieces. So that is all. Bye for now.